also ended up going to Harbor Freight getting this 3-pound hammer, and with this through the back I was able to knock out the old bushing, the trailing arm bushing, out of the rear trailing arm right here. And now I went to Harbor Freight to get these wider Phillips head screwdrivers, because taking these out was kind of a bitch. So I did get some pliers to hold down the rotor to the spindle. I did hammer it down, and now there it goes.